the 10 atomic fart sounds. The first fart for today is the best fart of all. It's the I'm a farm on the yard fart. Okay, guys, the next fart is the atomic fart. It's the weirdest fart, but it just is. Okay. Oh god, that was really good. Oh god, Okay, guys. The next part, here. Okay. The next part is the silent fart. The next is the ninja fart. Oh god, that was really good. Oh. And then finally, the best part of all, the quiet fart. And that is going to be oh no!
I'm a fire in my lady.